Hello everyone, this is Accar TechUg as usual. So into this video, I'm gonna show you how to create our bootable USB drive of Windows 11. And with this kind of software that we're gonna use to create a bootable USB drive of Windows 11, you get even to bypass the minimum requirements of Windows 11 using this software. So how are you going to be able to create one? In order to create yourself a bootable USB drive of Windows 11, you need to have first the ISO image of Windows 11. So I'm gonna look up for it here to show it to you that I do have it. So over here into my other partition of my hard disk, if you were to look up here, I do have the image of Windows 11, the ISO image of Windows 11. It's 24H2. That's the version of Windows 11 of the image that I'm having. So yeah, the next thing to do now, I'm gonna create one. So with this software that we're gonna use, it's Rufus. You get to bypass the minimum requirements for Windows 11. As you see over here, if I'm to show you the specifications, some of the specifications of my computer, let me show you about PC. So I'm gonna open up this to show you the specifications of my computer. So if I look up here, my my computer is having an Intel Core TM i3, and it's of the 4th generation, but still I'm having Windows 11 on my computer. So in order to bypass the minimum requirements to have Windows 11 installed onto your computer, you need to use the software which is called Rufus. So we get to look up for Rufus over here. So open up the application. So over here, since the application is ready to open up, click on yes. Remember, we are creating a bootable USB drive of Windows 11, and this time round we want to bypass the minimum requirements for Windows 11. So what you need to do is to first get to choose your USB drive. So it's the only one, it's the only flash that is being inserted into my computer. So then over here you get to select the ISO image of Windows 11. So you go here, then go click over here. No. So what you're gonna do is to this PC, then we go to new volume, scroll all the way down, look for Windows 11, then click on this ISO image of Windows 11. So it's gonna take a while, and now it's done. The image has been accepted. Now the next thing to do over here is to choose the partition scheme of your computer. If your computer is using the BIOS mode of legacy, you need to choose MBR. Now if your computer is using the BIOS mode of UEFI, then you need to choose the scheme of GPT. So once you're done selecting the partition scheme, depending on the BIOS mode of your computer, then you then get over here, give your volume a label. So you can give it any name, but to be smart on what you're doing, you need to give it the name that deserves it, like Windows 11. Windows 11. Once you're done, so you then click on start, and the process will begin of creating yourself a bootable USB drive of Windows 11. Thank you.